Very good morning and hello students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahapar, your English teacher, and today we are going to start a new chapter of English grammar. So students, the name of the chapter is chapter 3, articles. Students, this is the part 1 of this chapter. In this part we will learn about articles. And in next part, that is part 2, we will learn about the exercise of this chapter. So students, first in this what we are learning today, that is what are articles, second is type of articles, and third is uses of articles. So students, let's pretend we are going for a picnic to somewhere. What are the things you must carry or I must carry? That I will carry a ball for playing, an umbrella and a cap to protect me from sun heat, a mat, of course a mat to sit, and a water bottle, that is the most important thing, and an apple to eat, because my mother says an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So students, what are the list which we are carrying? That is a ball, a mat, a cap and a water bottle. Now students, in all these words there is a word that is a, which was put in forward, that is before the noun. Mat, ball, cap, water bottle, these all are the nouns and a is the word. Now students, picnic checklist second, that is an umbrella and apple. Here umbrella is also a noun and this is also a noun. Here also we have used an before than. And Sundar Nursery, before Sundar Nursery I have used the, and also before doctor I have used the. So student, these words, these three words, and the, these are the three articles. Articles are among the most common words in the English language. So students, articles we used daily in all English language because it is the most common words used by us. They are used before a noun. Now students, articles are used before a noun. That means before a name of a person, before a place, or before a thing. Now students, articles are divided into two types. That is, one is indefinite articles and another one is definite articles. Students, you all know a, and the are articles, as I say. Now, indefinite articles are those, that is a and an. And definite articles are the. Now students, as you know, there are two type of articles. So the two type of articles, how we use in the sentence, let's see forward. First article, that is indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an. Do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. So students, जो indefinite articles होते हैं, they do not refers to particular person, any particular place or thing, like a chair, an elephant, a fan, a temple. So before these, a chair, that means before chair, before elephant, before fan, I have used a or an, because we are not talking about a particular thing, so we can use here a or an. These. So student, now next we will read definite articles. The is called as a definite articles because it refers to some particular person. जो दी होता है वो represent करता है some particular person. It is placed at the front of a person, place or thing. but showing that particular person, particular place or particular thing. As you can see the example, the India Gate, the President and the flag. So students, before India Gate, the President and the flag, the is used because these are particular. India Gate, there is only one India Gate. President is the only one person of all over country. And the flag is only एक ही flag है हमारा. You all know that is जो हम लोग हमारे 3 colors वाला है, that is the flag. तो वो भी एक है. So we use here definite. So student, uses of or an depends on the sound of the first letter of the word and not on the actual first letter of the word. Yes students, it depends on the first letter of the word. Like you can look at the word pan is given here. Pan, first letter is P, which makes a sound of pa. So P is the first letter of this word and it makes a sound of pa. So the uses of or and depends on this sound. Now students, there are 26 alphabets and each alphabet has its own phonic sound, which you have learned before. E says a, V says W, and so on. So students, out of 26 alphabets, A, E, I, O, U, these 5 alphabets are called as vowels. Any word beginning with the sound of these vowels is prefixed with an, or any word which is being with the sound of this word, that first word will make a sound of this. So before that word we placed an. As you can see, U makes the sound of a. Therefore V says an umbrella, an orange, and so on. So students, out of these 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels and the remaining or the rest are called as consonants. So when a word starts with consonant sound, we used a before them. Like a ball. Consonant B has a sound of B. So that's why we use a before ball. T or tree. T is also consonant. Students, now we will study about the uses of definite articles, that is the. So the first use of the is the man standing in the garden is my uncle. The is used before a particular person and a particular place, that is particular person, that means the man, and a particular place, that means the garden. Here student, this line is related to, this sentence is related to a particular person, that is the man and the garden, so that's why we use the. Now the second use of the is Mumbai is the biggest city in India. Here biggest is the adjective, and which type of adjective? Superlative. So before superlative adjectives we use the. Uses of the. Another use. Students, now we will study about the uses of definite articles, that is the. So the first use of the is the man standing in the garden is my uncle. The is used before a particular person and a particular place, that is particular person, that means the man, and a particular place, that means the garden. Here student, this line is related to, this sentence is related to a particular person, that is the man and the garden, so that's why we use the. Now the second use of the is Mumbai is the biggest city in India. Here, biggest is the adjective, and which type of adjective? Superlative. So, before superlative adjectives, we use the. The another uses of the is the Yamuna, the Aravallis, the Indian Ocean, the Rajdhani Express, and the Taj Mahal. The is used before the names of rivers, mountains, oceans, ships, island, trees, direction, buildings, etc. So here the is used before the rivers, mountains, etc. because these all things are also famous. So we use the here. Now student, uses of the is also used as the Hindustan Times, the Ramayana. The is used before the names of newspapers, well-known books and magazines, etc. जो चीज़ें well known है as well as famous है, before that also we use the. And the is a article. This one of the article that is called as definite article. So today we learn that articles are among the most common words in the English language. A and the other three articles. A and an are indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. The uses of a or an depends on the sound of first letter of the word and before which the article is to be used. The is the definite articles. It refers to some particular person, place or thing. So students, part 1 of this chapter, that is articles, is finished. And if there is any query or doubt related to this part, you can ask me anytime.